Welcome to Mystic Dragonfly Garden. Today in the garden I am deadheading my pansies and I'm going to fertilize them. It's rained a lot and it snowed a lot and they're not really in need of water, but a lot of the nutrients have probably washed out, and these are annuals, so I'm going to give them a little boost so that they can perform over the next couple of months and fill out and bloom their little heads off. So in these flower boxes on my front porch, I have red and white pansies. That's my go-to in the winter, and they're just my go-to. So I'm just gonna deadhead them. You don't have to deadhead pansies, but it is very relaxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and get these pansies deadheaded and watered, and along the holly bushes I'm going to get them mulched. Actually, I might add some mulch to these. Planter boxes as well. So let's get started. All you have to do to deadhead pansies is just go down the spent bloom flowers. Just go down the stalk and cut them at the base and clean up the plant. And that's about it. Again, you don't have to do this. They will clean themselves up and rebloom without doing this. But it does make it look a little bit nicer, especially when it's along your front walkway, if you take the time to clean them up. And I'm just tossing these behind these holly bushes, and they can compost in place behind the holly bushes. The rest of the debris I will put at the curb. That's the one good thing about living in this township that we live in, is that they will come pick up whatever you put on the curb. Definitely spoiled. And they probably definitely hate me, because we have had piles at least 6 feet high piled out there. I know they drive by on Monday mornings when they're looking for what needs to be done, and they probably all roll their eyes. Oh my goodness, she's been back outside again. But you know, for the love of dirt, get outside, right? So I gotta take my own advice. Alrighty, that looks like it is cleaned up. So I will go mix up my water-soluble fertilizer, which I use Jack's Blossom Booster, which locally I pick up at Settlemyre Nursery. I don't know if you can order it online or not, but whatever your local nursery is, might check with them and see what they recommend for water-soluble, that's a mouthful, water-soluble fertilizer to keep those annuals happy and blooming. Okay, at some point you could just probably sit here all day and nitpick, but this is going to be my last pick. Excuse me. Oh, I lied. One more. Okay, last pick. Oh, nope. One more. Okay, fine. I'm going to leave it alone. All right, I'm going to go mix up my water-soluble fertilizer and have that ready. I need to put mulch on these. Actually, I'm going to go put mulch on them. Then I'm going to mix up the water-soluble fertilizer, get them watered in, and that will be our outside project for the day. What is this? Who's been smoking and using my flower pots as a place to dump their cigarettes? Well, that's a wrap for this project. We got this area cleaned up. We have some Ascot Merlot and lemon coral sedum in this corner. And then here we have our happy little pansies that have been deadheaded, fertilized, and mulched. And then our flower boxes that we also cleaned up those pansies and then got everything taken care of with the leaf blower. And that's it for today's project. That completes today's project. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. My goal is 1975, celebrating 50 years, 1975 subscribers by my birthday. So hit that subscribe button, share this with your friends, and for the love of dirt, get outside. It may be cold, but grab you a hat, grab you a scarf, and just step outside. Enjoy what nature has to offer. Until next time.